is Millicent Anlaming, a third-year BSc Mathematics student and a Cohort 7 scholar in the Mastercard Program KNUST. This year, I've subscribed to learn the cybersecurity and digital forensic to gain more knowledge on how to keep my personal credentials safe. And during this program, I have learned how to set good password to be able to keep my credentials safe on all social media platforms. I've also learned something new on the Kali platform to be able to investigate an image that was taken somewhere that we want to get information about. We'll be able to upload it on the Google to be able to get some information that will lead us to what we need to know about the photo. I've also learned on how to find out whether my email account or any account or password I have has been hacked before or has been tried to be hacked. So it's a very good information that I have gained and knowledge, and I think this will help me in the future to be able to keep my personal things safely and to also be able to help others keep theirs. So with this knowledge acquired through this training, I would like to thank Mastercard Foundation Scholarship at KNUST and to appreciate my gratitude to them for giving us the opportunity to be able to learn this new knowledge.
My name is Anani Elvis. I'm supporting Dr. Emmanuel Hene to take the cybersecurity and digital forensics. We've been learning about networks, computer networks. We've talked about the types of networks and others. We've been learning about Kali Linux environment. We talked about the virtualization, and then we've started hacking machines ethically. We have given them platforms where they can continuously improve their studies. So far it's been good. We will encourage the sponsors to keep on doing it every year for them because they've gotten so much knowledge which will benefit them. One of it is the Google image search, where we introduce students as to how to reverse search images so that they can find the source of an image. And then we also looked at how they can get more information about a picture that was taken in order to know more about the picture. For example, the location where the picture was taken, and then other metadata about the picture. We've gone through other things such as how to ethically hack websites, which is a full-time work for people called bug bounty. And that is what we have done for the course. Thank you very much.